So yesterday we worked on an image that was already pre-gridded for us, as you can see in the page that says grid. So what we are going to do today is create our own grid on a small image, a 5x4 image. So we will start by cutting it out and gluing it to our next page. And once we have it glued down, we will grab our ruler and we will start our measuring. So what we want to do is place our ruler towards the top edge of the photo. So the 0 will be touching the edge of the photo and the 5 will be at the end. So we will look for the longer lines next to all of our numbers on the ruler and we will mark it down at the top. And the next thing we will do is we will mark it down at the bottom as well. Marking it at the top and at the bottom is going to ensure that we create a very straight line. If we do not mark it at both opposites of the paper, the issue will be that our lines will be distorted, creating rectangles or other odd shapes. Once we're done marking our picture, we will align our ruler with the first mark at the top and the first mark that we just created at the bottom, and we will start to draw those lines. Now that we have our vertical lines drawn, we should be able to count 5 columns. Once done with that, we will place the ruler to the right side of our paper, of our picture, making sure that the 0 is touching the top of the photo, and we will mark down our lines for the sides. So we will do that on both sides, and then we will draw the lines just like we did 1 minute ago for our vertical lines. Once we have those done, we should be able to count 4 rows. So this is going to be a 5x4 grid. So we will start by labeling the top 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 for each of the columns. And to the side, we will label it with letters, so A, B, C, and D. This is how you create a grid on your reference photos.